How to lock Facebook profile in Android or iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to update your application. Launch Play Store or App Store. Search Facebook. If there is any updates, update it. Now tap Open. Log into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right. Tap See Your Profile at top left. From this profile feed, tap on three dots next to Edit Profile. You will reach on Profile Settings section. Tap Lock Profile. Now tap Lock Your Profile and wait for a while. And you're locked, or you have simply locked your Facebook profile successfully. This will help you to maintain privacy on Facebook. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.